members of host communities, oil companies for Nigeria. In fact, these ones, they don't come show us their real talent. My people, if you not see fight, hey! Obia! The thing just the totally my body. If you not see punching, see where people they show their talent. Those people, oh man, no be smart, you know. Politicians will go boxing school. This fight starts when they call what did they call those people? Ichekiri leaders for Delta State. They can't call them outside and say, okay, oh, may come give their presentation. Now so that one can stand up, say they go talk. No, say their opponent no agree with anything we come out can talk. Now so you call oppose them. My people, now so fight start. Una need see how they see serious punching. No, I say make I bring the video come. So for now, when you know the thing they happen now. All the members of oil companies for Nigeria now they on fire. So big I don't bring the video. Join me, make we watch them.
Stop them. Tell him to sit down, he's not going anywhere.
Are you see telling you that you say Africa?
What tell him that you should go? I will not take that from you. I will not.
Jesus! Oh, I beg, hope so no be only me enjoy wetin I just see now. Charlie, which I tell you before? I tell you before, say, as Ghana do their own for parliament, Nigeria go soon come show us their own. The only thing now be say, these people, they not too waste time. You understand? They not, assuming they will extend that fight small. Una go see where people they break bottles, people they do. Not be smart, you know. Chineke. I beg, this one I read. No be the one. Even Ghana ourselves, they don't even fight like this. I tell you that say Nigeria. Nigerian people they don't carry last though. Anything fight. Agbero. I beg na joke, I dey joke, understand? When I still be my people, but my people no be smart, you know. See agbalagbas. See agbayas we just dey involved in serious fight. Una see that one wey wear purple. Abeg make they carry milk go give that man. Because the man don't receive too much, he even they bleed. My brother. They don't give you, you don't collect. Now today be your collection day, you collect. See others. See una leaders, see people where una appoint for seats. Where you say, now our leaders, now our this one, now our that one. See them. Disgrace everywhere. Up disgrace, down disgrace. People, parents. And I supposed to understand now, say, these ones, they be person leader, they be person mentor, they be person parents. Now they bring shame like this to us. They even they separate. Oh, that woman try, oh. Una see that now the only female we go separate fight. My sister thank God say they no just give you one blow because the way those people serious for that fight. Not be smart, you know. Oh, this one now, all in the name of waiting. Leftover money. No be saying even the real money. Leftover. Now only money if you make adults like this, they fight. Shame even they catch me. Wallahi, shame don't cover me like this. Buhari, our president, come see the real hoodlums. No be the youths where you go they disgrace, they insult anyhow. No, these ones now they be waiting. No, now you go look for an excuse, you go look for a reason. Leave our youths alone. See your people now, they fight. Shame. Agberos in government. Agberos, they inside government. Chineke. So this one now, in Peking go sit down somewhere now, they watch am. Say, that's my father. Just the disgrace on herself up and down. If una like, kill una self. You understand? kill una self if una wan kill una self o. E no concern us because after all, if we check everything, check front, check back, now alone dey chop the money. So how that one come take concern us if una die? E no concern anyhow, I no know for una, but me, e no concern me. You understand? Chineke. Nonsense. Childish people. Nonsense behavior. In fact, all of una suppose don't go sit down somewhere now, they cover on her face. You know they enough. With all the wahala wey Nigeria don't show outsiders. Where everybody they talk about Nigerian government. That one no do now. Now una don't come out, come show us this una beautiful talent. And then tomorrow, if person talk about Nigeria outside, una go send person make they go arrest them. How they no go talk about una? How? No, make una tell me. Now the reason be this. Why Northerners they use una head anyhow? Now it be this. Later una go consider the Northerners this, Northerners that. No, when una don't see Northerners where they fight each other. Every time I want show una self. Every time. Now why did they use una head? Clash una head together. I bet see me I no go lie now. This one I enjoy am die. You know that see the inside wetin they call that bone marrow. The thing enter. Una never see anything. The fight never even starts. Nonsense people. I bet my people, why some people they fight, we get another one here. Anyhow, sha, this one. Na sad news, sha. I don't say many of you know this guy, Prince Obieze. Now the CEO of Obieze Oil and Gas and Motors Nigeria Limited. My people, matter don't reach me now. Say this guy don't die. They say he died for Dubai after they arrest him. And the reason now whether they give me say they arrest this guy, although some people they against him, some people they with him, you understand? But me, I they see many reasons because now they just say that because they front money everywhere for Facebook, Instagram, it just they show himself. When I hear this matter, I first when they doubt say you sure? Because they even to say when they arrest him, they no allow make it cause a lawyer. Even a girlfriend, they no allow, no family member, they say they no want see. Now I see this one and a bad thing. My people, until I see the video with my Koro eye. Now I bring her for una way they doubt. Una way they talk say this one, many things. Because for una way no even know who are they talk about. And the kind of money where they flaunt online. Join me, make me watch the video. As this matter be they look am from two sides. Since una don't talk say now, you know they right. Oh yeah, make we look am from the two sides now. See, if they tell una say, no carry everything go social media, e get why. No be because person they jealous you, person they envy you. Now matters like this we they talk about. Some people on their own, na them they cause their death. This one no be village. E get matter when I go even tell una say this one na from village. This one no be village matter. This one he using hand, planning death. I no support the fact say they no allow and bring lawyer or family members or girlfriend. I no support that fact. But if we go look inside this matter, we go see say part of this thing, this guy they at fault. So government, I don't bring this case now because now the thing happened for Dubai. You need look inside this matter where that man, Dino Melaye, not be to the carry camera up and down. Let's say you be waiting they call a newscaster. You could just carry camera, they show us video where they chop. Now this kind of thing you supposed tell your people for government. Say they supposed look inside this matter because one of our citizens now, he don't die for that place. So. And this case not be just the death part. The fact say because normally for country as a non-citizen of a country, if something happen wey involve police, you get right to bring lawyer. But this one, they no give her. Now, why Nigeria government now are supposed to look inside this matter? Chai! Person just die like that. My people, if I dey tell una say low-key life na the best life. Low-key. No be say you dey fear, but see, no carry everything go social media. Make you get private life. Even if you wan show yourself, although normally we be human beings, you understand, at least once in a while, no, make una no lie. Sometimes una dey feel like, okay, I just get this new thing, make a post am, you understand? But no be this kind. Una no see the video. Una see money wey this guy carry. The money be like devil. Ah! No. I even dey fear, like goosebumps even carry me like this. How you go carry this kind of money come outside? Later, if they insult Africans, when I go to say, hey, people are always insulting us, people don't like us, people this one. How do you know? No, we always like the show on ourselves. Every time, we like the show on ourselves. Who una don't see white person, who una don't see we sit down. Video in money. Why itself even too far? For Africa, here, Naija, Dangote, una don't see Dangote, we go bank, withdraw the money, put am for table the video. Maturity, financial maturity, now wetin they call am. You go just dey show yourself. See, every day of your life, you suppose dey conscious say people dey watch us, so people dey look at us, so some things. Now understand, people dey look us, and not be everybody dey okay with your success. Now one thing una suppose know. All these people wey get money, wey you see say they know they show am, you think say they no wan show am? If they give everybody chance, everybody wan show say they don better. Wetin una dey talk? But no be the one where you go just come outside. No, this thing, this matter, it really enter me. I no go lie. If una wan show say una get money, I don't talk this thing and I go still talk am. Now by the people where you help, the impact where you make for this world, now that thing go tell people, see, let your actions speak for you. Not be the one where you go come and say, we no need them. Make we just hear say, oh, David built hospital for homeless children. You see, things like that. People automatically, you don't even need to say you get money. You don't need show us. By that message alone, we know say, this guy carry, this woman carry. Child! Why una no like the year word? Why? This guy, for una to see say the matter even heavy, even when he stop the post, like the period where he dey prison, and he die, even as he stop the post, everybody even notice say, this guy, how come he no dey post again? For una to see say the case don bad, like everybody don dey used to na say he dey post. Wetin? Kilo dey swear for una. Now this kind point you dey see people wey grow up inside poverty. Because if you grow up for rich family, you don't money no be new thing. Now when you never see am before, as it come, you want to start to show yourself. See, in as much as I know they support the fact say they no call lawyer. Now why I don't already come out for this video? You understand? Because Nigeria government need look inside this matter. But at the same time, my people, I just dey hope say all of us, I dey involve myself too, you understand? Because nobody dey perfect. I dey hope say we don't learn from this thing now wey happen. I just dey hope. No show yourself too much. You don't know who be your enemy. And this one no be the first time say wey happen. E get one wey I even hear, wey one foreigner, this one, they even catch am. They brushed it with champagne, they bath with bottled water, like, and they make am in the way say people they notice. Who na they try impress? Who na they try impress? See, I don't go talk this one again. Low-key life is the best life. Wait till I talk. Low-key life is what? So make una carry am as una dey waka every day, as una dey plan. No expose yourself too much. My brother, anywhere you find yourself now, I don't know whether you dey see me or you dey hear me, but my condolences to your family. Sorry. I beg my people, na the matter be this. This one na really sad news, but how we for do? We go learn from her. Yes, drop your comment for the comment section. I wan know wetin una think concerning this matter. E dey very very serious. Share this video, fit help person, you understand? And no forget subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you go dey notified anytime wey we drop the new and hot videos. I love you guys. See you later.